Hello everyone, welcome back to Data with Pankaj. Today we are discussing about how you can use Claude AI to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Optimizing LinkedIn profile may help you to get a better recruiter action to your LinkedIn profile. It will help you for your job searching journey. Also, it will help you to connect with an industry expert for your domain. So we'll see step by step guide today. So in order to use any other AI, let's say you want to do same task in Chat GPT or Gemini AI, you have to make sure that whatever prompt I am going to use today, you have to copy paste same prompt to any other AI to get optimization of your LinkedIn profile from that other AI. So for that, we need to navigate to our LinkedIn account. So here is my LinkedIn account. So from that, we are going to download our data to feed that data to Claude AI and just one prompt. So I will just quickly navigate to my profile section. Here you can see this is my profile section. So I have updated my header as a senior Power BI developer, Microsoft certified PL300, DP600. Scroll down. Here you can see about section. Here I have added few sentences. Again in experience section, I have added my current company name, my current designation. In my last company, what was my roles, what is my job description, or what are the different tasks I did. I have mentioned in detail in my LinkedIn. Then if you scroll down here, I can see education detail, then my certification, and I have different license like for Fabric, Power BI, those detail I have mentioned. In skill section, I have added 43 different skill like Power BI, DAX, Power Query, etc. In recommendation section, so here are some recommendation from different expert of my different companies. Okay, then honor and award languages. So this is some information I have mentioned in my LinkedIn profile. Now to get our profile updated, so whatever current data is there in my profile, that data I need to share with the Claude. So we are going to download the data in the form of PDF. So there is option. If you click here, you can see save to PDF. So it will download this data in the form of PDF. So if I click here, you can see the data will be downloaded in the form of PDF like profile, and that data will look like this. Okay, so here you can see same data whatever we have seen like my headers, then summary, experience like my current company, my designation, and if I updated any roles and responsibility, that will be visible in detail. Okay, and this data we are going to feed to Claude to get output. Okay, how I can optimize this. So let me navigate to Claude AI to pass our prompt as well as this PDF data. So I will open the Claude AI. This is the interface of Claude AI. I am using the Pro license, but for this task, you can use any free account, like trial account is sufficient. No need to buy any plan. So here we'll attach that PDF. So this is a profile PDF I will attach. Along with that, we'll pass one simple prompt. So this is my prompt. Attached is my LinkedIn profile summary in the form of PDF. Please review it thoroughly and suggest how I can optimize to make it stronger, more professional, and more effective to attract more recruiter action to connect with the industry experts. So I have mentioned few details, okay, and also suggest me what are the possible optimizations. So that's what the task is, okay. So if I get started with this task, Claude will analyze entire PDF and it will suggest the possible improvement. So here you can see it has went to our entire PDF. Okay, headline it has suggested some changes. Okay, issue, what is the issue and how you can replace it with new headline. So here it has suggested senior Power BI developer at Magna International, then certification detail, then what are the different skill like Power BI, DAX, Fabric, SQL, etc. Okay. About also it has suggested to make some changes. Okay. In rewrite here you can see I help data professional master Power BI, DAX, Microsoft Fabric and build enterprise BI solution, etc. Okay, now it is not limited to data professional. Okay, if you are working for any other professional, let's say software developer, software tester, this same prompt will work for you. Okay, depending on your profile summary, it will show the relevant skills, relevant points for you. Okay, it is global prompt, it is not relevant to only Power BI developer or data analyst. Even you are a fresher, even you are experienced, even you are very senior, this prompt will work across all the different roles. In experience also it is suggested some changes. Okay, skill section. Okay, so here it is suggested some changes. Then certification also missing feature section. In certification it has mentioned, okay, whichever the certification is relevant to my profile like PL300, DP600, these are should be in a for priority list in certification section. Okay, so let's say I have did some certification from hacker rank, lead code, those are not valid certification or those are not considered nowadays. Okay, as your proof of skill. Okay, in order to have the proper certification, you should be certified from product owner. Let's say PL300 is from Microsoft, for Power BI. Okay, so same certification should be there in a top list of your license and certification section on LinkedIn. Okay, so all this suggestion, if we implement, then our profile score will be improve and it will help you to optimize our LinkedIn profile. So let me just ask what is my current score of LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I will simply pass one short form. Can you rate my profile score? Okay, so before optimization, what was my score? Let's say I want to see that. Okay, so it has rated 6.5 out of 10. Okay, so for each particular section, headline, about, summary, current role, past experience, skill, certification, feature section, education, honor and award. Okay, for each section out of 10, overall it is rated 6.5. Okay, and I will just ask you after. So I am going to pass another prompt. After all the changes suggested by Claude, what will be the score? Okay, so let's see how it will show the score. So overall, it is saying that it will be 9 out of 10. Okay, so if you made all the changes as per the input from the Claude to your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this is how you can use Claude to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So if you are from any background, any domain, you can use the same technique to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Okay, and if you want to get some suggestion on your LinkedIn profile, photos or banner, you can just paste that screenshot or snapshot of your profile. It will help you to generate the relevant banner, relevant photos for your profile. Okay, as a professional photo. Other way, I can ask, okay, what should be the my salary as per the my experience? Okay, let's see what it will show. So what should be my salary as per my experience and skill? Okay, so to get some rough figure, okay, what should be the salary of this particular role within this experience? So it will scan the entire internet based on the different portal like Glassdoor and Naukri.com. It will show some salary range. Okay, so here you can see general senior Power BI developer benchmark 6 plus a year. Okay, so average salary should be 14 LPA per year. Then typical range between like 10 LPA to 20 LPA, and career stage benchmark senior Power BI developer 6 to 8 year between 12 to 20 annually. Okay, high experience professional with 10 plus experience typically earn between 12 to 22 LP. Okay, depending on the role company that may vary, but if you need some generic idea, then this will be helpful. Okay, even you can ask, okay, what are the different skill I should target to get a more salary? Okay, so just simple prompt suggest some skill that will help to get a better salary. Okay, so in it will again scan internet and see what are the skill that are in a trend. Okay, and it will suggest. Okay, you can see Microsoft Fabric, then Python for data work, Databricks, then cloud platform depth, Azure specifically, advanced SQL query optimization, then GenAI Copilot for Power BI. So these are the some skill it is suggested. Okay, to get more salary. Okay, means based on the entire internet, what are the trending skill for the Power BI developer or data analyst? Okay, it is suggested those skill, and if you add this in your resume, it will help you to maximize your CTC. Okay, annual CTC. This is the way you can use a Claude to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So whatever suggestion suggested by Claude, you have to just go to your LinkedIn profile. You have to just make copy paste from here to there. It will help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. This is one of the easiest way with a single prompt. I will make sure that prompt is ping into comment section of this video. If this video is helpful, do subscribe, share and like this video. I will see you in the next video.